Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical problem. So the question is given, we have to solve this. Cube root of 54 minus 30 root 3 plus cube root of 170 plus 117 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Then you have to find the value of a plus 1 minus bc value. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 700 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So first of all, given cube root of 54 minus 30 root 3 plus cube root of 170 plus 117 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. So first you have to solve individually. Cube roots you have to solve individually. So I am taking the first one. Cube root of let cube root of 54 minus 30 root 3 is equal to a minus root b. Now cubing on both sides. 54 minus 30 root 3 is equal to a minus root b whole cube. This can be written as a cube minus 3a square root b plus 3ab minus b root b. So here you can take common a cube plus 3ab minus root b common 3a square minus b. So if you compare this with 54 minus 30 root 3, so here we'll get a b value 3. B value will be 3. Now substitute this value in 3a square minus b value 30. So here 3a square plus b. So here we'll get 30 minus 3. 3a square is equal to 27. A square is equal to 9, that is plus or minus 3. We are taking only positive value. So here a value 3 and b value also 3. Now this value is 3 minus root 3. A minus root b is equal to 3 minus root 3. So here we will take a1 b1. Already a were given. Now we will go to the second one. Cube root of 170 plus 117 root 3. Let us take it as x plus root y. Now before making it at x plus root y, this can be written as cube root of 170 plus 39 root 27 is equal to x plus root y. So if you take cubing on both sides, 170 plus 39 root 7 is equal to x cube minus 3x square root y plus 3xy minus y root y. So here you can write it as x cube plus 3xy minus root y common 3x square plus y. From this you can get y value is 27 now. Y value is 27. Now 3x square plus 27 is equal to 39. 3x square is equal to 39 minus 27. So 3x square will get 12. X square equal to 4, that is equal to x value is equal to 2. So here x plus root y, you can write it as 2 plus root 27. So here you can write it as 2 plus 3 root 3. Now on adding both of these, on adding both of the values, 3 minus root 3 plus 2 plus 3 root 3 will give 5 plus 2 root 3. So if you given compare a plus b root c, a value 5, b value 2 and c value 3. Now what is required here? A plus 1 minus bc 5 plus 1 minus 2 into 3, 6 minus 6 will get 0. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.